Hey guys, happy Monday. It's our last week of summer heading toward fall, which is very exciting, especially because I live in Texas and it's really hot. But congratulations on a great week last week. I saw some really insightful comments, really good questions, and I hope you enjoyed that exercise. Sometimes just getting in and seeing something operationalized can change your view. And so I know I've had experiences where I thought, well, that icebreaker doesn't sound that good, or it sounds difficult to work with. But then once you get in and experience it, it's a little bit different. Sometimes you find out that something seems wonderful and then you try it and it isn't that great after all. So it's all about experimentation, and I appreciate the fact that you guys are being so open with one another. It is very hard to share your work, and I understand that. So thank you for doing that, and thank you for being respectful to your colleagues in this class. I hope that you are enjoying it, and please, if you have questions along the way, let me know. I hope you have a great week.